After the girls finished their massage, I went over to the massage area to get my massage.
Muna na tayo. Sa kabila. Muna na tayo.
Karen, next aisle. Feeling ko. Kasi mo, dikit sila na Aaron din. Siyempre, kasama na si Ian din.
I think so. We weren't really...
Kasi kung hindi man, si Ian saka si Solen.
Ian, Solen,
Ian, Solen, hindi
lang.
Tapos sasama na si Aaron saka si...
Depende. Maybe not that.
Ito din talaga may pinakagit. Para pa lang.
That's annoying. When she watches this season, that kind of annoying. Annoying.
Gusto kong kunin yung loob ni Jan kahit papano. Ayoko na parang isipin niya na kalaban niya ako. Kaya kahit papano, gusto kong may something na konting-konting alliance kami. So sabi ko sa kanya, Jan, anong mangyayari? Anong plano kung if ever man? Imposible naman. Imposible, pero if ever matalo tayo, sinong boboto natin? Sabi niya, Trisha, di ba wala? Pinakawi. Sabi ko, okay, Trisha tayo ah.
It's surprising that she lasted this long. It's not at first one. Not at first.
Maika nga eh. Hindi Maika binuto.
Tapos silang dalawa.
Massage was a little bit for me, and okay, siempre the Thai massage was the best. Pero that time we are dirty, and then I have a lot of neck, so was not okay for me.
The massage was great. It was really good. But, we were really hungry. It's been a while since we've eaten. So, if I could have traded my massage for food, I would have done it in a second.
Back to the camp, we have a new shuttle, we have a new place, better than before, much better. So, mas masaya.
Focus kami. Ako naman, civil lang ako. Siyempre, we have to work as a team na. And gusto ko rin mag-start ng conversation with Michelle para lang maayos and walang away sa camp.
Ay, pag nilagay na sa apol, bumubukan siyang kusa. Mas ready to eat na siya pag bumukan.
Yun din siguro ang ginawa ko na pagdudahan ni Aubrey na, ay, bakit close to si Trisha kay Michelle? Kasi nga, wala kumakausap kay Michelle na dapat siya yun. Diba? So, sabi ko, ako na chichika dito kasi parang wala namang kausap. So, hindi talaga sila nag-uusap at all.
Susunod sa Survivor Philippines.
Ganun talaga nung reklamo nila na parang, we need to fix this, ganyan-ganyan. Sa akin naman parang, fix it kung gusto mo.